Starting around 25 August 2023, Chilliz certainly is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ generally has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $444,974,996, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,023,166, or so they sort of thought. This sort of makes Chilliz, CHZ, truly positioning at 72 in the digital money market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz generally be truly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Chilliz a truly wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CHZ cost truly outperform its untouched high, which for the most part is very huge? These truly are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future in a very significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost generally is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $0.091, the normal genuinely least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to basically be $0.088, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, CHZ can truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $0.097 in a huge manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082 in a fundamentally significant manner. While in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.080 in a truly significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086 in an unobtrusive manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.083, showing how sort of is Chilliz a sort of wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chilliz for the most part is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.082 in an extremely significant manner. The CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.089, with the sort of typical cost around $0.085 in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz CHZ value gauge November 2023. The Chilliz CHZ cost for November 2023 may sort of arrive at least worth of $0.085, while the by and large greatest estimated cost most certainly is around $0.093, so Chilliz CHZ value figure November 2023. The Chilliz CHZ cost for November 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a very least worth of $0.085, while the extremely greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0.093, which basically is genuinely huge. The very normal cost for CHZ in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach $0.088 in November 2023, or so they sort of thought. CHZ value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz by and large is determined to sort of be at around a really least worth of $0.088 in an unobtrusive manner. The Chilliz value worth can fundamentally arrive at an extremely limit of $0.097, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Chilliz by and large past value examination and the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been somewhat diminished by 1.19% in its especially current worth in a by and large enormous manner. Assuming we generally analyze the by and large current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap certainly is likewise down for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz truly is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which basically is genuinely huge. The CHZ by and large is down to nearly 2% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, showing that Chilliz, CHZ, value estimate November 2023, the Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023. May truly arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.085, while the very greatest determined cost truly is around $0.093, so Chilliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may for the most part arrive at an all things considered least worth of $0.085, while the most extreme gauge cost truly is around $0.093, which for the most part is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could especially areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't actually believe that it would a beneficial resource in exceptionally present moment. So starting around 25 August 2023, Chilliz is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in truly most recent 1 hour, in an extremely significant manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ in a real sense diminished by 55.339%, taking out an astounding sort of normal amount of $0.077 from its essentially current worth. So Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to truly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.091. The normal kind of least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $0.088, which certainly is very huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in all things considered, great truly purchase an open door for genuinely fast speculation, showing the way that the CHZ cost could truly arrive at in every practical sense. Most extreme cost of $0.089, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.085. Or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 54.69%, and the cost especially flowed from a truly least kind of typical cost of 13 cents to kind of most extreme exceptionally normal cost of 14 cents. In every practical sense, recent days, showing that will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, or so they basically thought. Chilliz explicitly is somewhere near 40.25%, with the essentially greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin was around 11 cents, and the base genuinely normal cost of by and large was around 11 cents in sort of beyond 4 months in every practical sense.